Yes, Marthaalwell is back. I brought you another banger. Remember I told you guys I was going to try something new? Yes, and I did that. As a black lady living abroad, I decided to try lasagna for myself from the scratch. During the week, I got talking with someone, and in the course of our conversation, I asked her, what will you make as a special meal? And she said, lasagna. And I said, okay, I've not made this before. I'm going to try it. I gave it a try. Trust me, guys, if you're a black person, you want to add this into your meal, it is so nice and easy to prepare. Let's get down to it. The first thing you will need to make this is to make your bolognese sauce just the way you normally make it when you want to have your pasta. You're just going into the pan. You don't need any oil, just the mince. Then you add your vegetable. For the vegetable, I'm going to be using carrots and some pepper. Watch this video to the end, guys. You want to learn this. You want to incorporate this into your food as a black person living abroad, or as a black person you just want to incorporate this into your food. It's so simple and easy to make. I added some onion into it. Then I added the tomato sauce. I'll just gently stir this. As a black person I am, I added pepper into it. I added some seasoning cube, both chicken and beef seasoning cube. And I added a sliced basil leaf into it. Allow this to cook for like 2 minutes. I'll come back to it. I'll add some red wine into it. This is optional. If you don't want it, you can skip it, but I try to add this into it because there's a flavor it gives to it. Now for the preparation, I have my lasagna cream. I'll just open this into my tray. I have my cheddar cheese mixed with mozzarella. I'll set this aside. And now my lasagna sheet, I will just open this so that it can be handy for me. And if you're a white person, you're watching this video, let me know where I've made a mistake for correction. So what I will do is just to layer the sauce I've made, the beef sauce, into the pan. I will go in with my lasagna sheets. I will layer this up. The next thing I want to go in now is my lasagna cream. I'll just patter this on top of the lasagna sheet. Guys, this is so simple to make. You want to try this, you want to start making this for your family. My kids really enjoyed eating this. I added another sauce on top of the lasagna cream. Yeah, I added another sauce on top of the lasagna cream. You just keep repeating this process. It depends on how large your pan is. Just keep repeating this process. I'll tell you what, I'll be making this as part of my Christmas dish now because it is so simple to make and it was so yummy. For finishers, I just added some cheese on top of it. I layered the top of it with cheese. And to give it that special look, I added the rest of the basil leaf on top of it. And I'll put this into my oven for just 30 minutes. Like I said before, if you're a white person and you're watching this video, let me know how I did, what I did not do well, and because if I want to make it some another time, I want to make it very well. After a while, I came back and I noticed it was burning. I just used my foil paper and covered the top of it, and our lasagna is here. Guys, this lasagna was so good. If you're a black person living abroad, you want to start having this, you want to try this, let me know if you'll be trying this, guys. I really enjoyed eating lasagna. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for everyone for always supporting your girl. It's your girl Marthaalwell. And don't forget, check out my storefront, and I offer videograms, send me gifts. If you want to order birthday messages, you can order them. A shout out to your friend who's doing a birthday, you can do that. Thank you everyone. Bye and God bless you.